been watching my videos, you know that we pulled the front bumper off, cleaned it all up, stripped it down, and repainted it. After that, we did the same to the fenders. Fender flares. We pulled them off, stripped them down to metal, and repainted them. The one thing we found out in the process, the paint we used on the bumper came out just a little bit more of a shine to it than we wanted. It's not a gloss, but we wanted more flat than it came out. We really like how the fender flares turned out, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to pull that front bumper back off and clean it up. I didn't paint it that long ago, so it's got a couple of good coats of paint on it, 2 or 3 coats. So all I'm going to do is put one more coat on it of the flatter black to make it match. So let's get started on that. Well, I had the camera set up, plugged into the Jackery to keep it powered because the battery was getting down, and I recorded spray painting. Everybody knows what that's about, so no big deal that part got missed, but I did get a coat on earlier. It's flat, so it dries pretty fast. It was a very light coat to get it tacky. Then I got another good heavy coat on there. So we're going to let this sit and dry, and either later tonight or tomorrow I'll get this bolted back on the Jeep. We'll see how good it dries. Like I said, it's flat matte black, so it does dry pretty fast, and I didn't go 2 or 3 coats like as fresh painting job because it was already painted. I was just getting this matte cover on it. So hopefully later tonight it'll be dried up enough just to bolt it back onto the Jeep and let it set overnight on the Jeep in the shop, and we'll see how it does. Alright, so I got her back on there, got a bolt on each side holding it, so I just need to put the rest of the nuts, tighten those bolts down, get it all snugged up. But I think it turned out pretty good. I think it looks nice. It's going to match the fenders better. Fenders are a little dirty right now, so they look a different shade, but this weekend we'll get it out, and probably tomorrow we'll go on a day trip and get it a little dusty like the fender flares. But I think it turned out good, so I'm gonna get these tightened up, wrap this video up, and move on to another project.